Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will make detergent powder, or you can call it washing powder or laundry powder. The powder which is used to wash clothes. Friends, as you must have seen that in rainy season the detergent powder become moist and sticky and it looks very bad. So that's why today I will show you how to make detergent powder which will not become moist and sticky in rainy season. So let's go. Let's start. See, this is wash soda. It is also called soda ash. It is easily available in the industrial chemical shop. See, this is dolomite powder and it is also very easily available. This is SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate. This is acid slurry. It is also called napsa. It is also very easily available in the industrial chemical shops. See, this is CMC powder. See the texture and the color. It is also very easily available in the industrial chemical shops. This is sodium perborate. See, this is Rani Paul. This is TSP powder. This is STPP. This is color granules. Different colors are available in the market. You can take any color. This is blue color. You can take any color of your choice. Now let's start the process. First I am taking soda ash. Now I am adding acid slurry in soda ash. Then mix it properly. Now I am adding SLS. It's a type of surfactant. Now I am adding TSP in it. Then STPP. CMC. Dolomite. Ranipal. Sodium perborate. Color. Then mix it properly. It will become blue because we added blue color in it. After mixing properly, sieve it because some particles are bigger in size. After sieving, it will turn into a powder form. If you are making in bulk, you can use mixer machine. Then add color granules. At this stage, you can add perfume in it. You can use any perfume of your choice. So friends, your detergent powder is ready. Now let's see the pH level. For that, I have taken a little amount of water and added some detergent powder in it and then mixing it. See, this is pH paper. I am dipping it in it. See, the pH level is coming around 6, between 6 and 7. This is perfect for detergent powder. Friends, now I am showing you the quality of detergent powder. See the result. Friends, this detergent powder will remain dry in rainy season. It will not become moist and sticky because I have not added salt in it. Salt make detergent powder sticky. Friends, if you are interested in doing low cost business, this business is very good for you because the production cost is very low and the selling price is very high, and it is very easy to make detergent powder because it is only a mixing process. So friends, try it, and if you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. If you like my video, please click the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives, and please click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will notice 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So if you want to see my future videos, please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.